Okay guys, welcome to the course. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough in this video of one of the graphing tools that you'll be using quite a bit throughout the NPM 2D online course. The tool is a website which is going to help you do quite a bit of your graphing. It's called DESMOS.com, so www.desmos.com. It's a free website, and as well as being a free website, there are also free apps that you can get for your phone or tablet, which I would recommend. I think they're pretty handy. I use mine all the time. So what you're going to want to do is first go to the website and then go to Start Graphing. Okay, you don't have to sign up or make an account or anything like that. Once you get into the graphing section here, there's a couple of places that I'll just draw your attention to. We've got our grid here, obviously, and over here we have our lines where we can input different formulas, different functions that we can graph onto our grid. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you as an example. I'm going to use the first example out of the lesson you're currently working on. So I'll go back to the online course here for a second. And we can see that the first line that we're plotting to find an intersection between these two lines is x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0. So if I go back to the DESMOS website, I can enter that formula right into this line here. So x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0. And I get my line right on the graph after I'm done typing. I also have to draw another line here, which is 2x minus y equals 2. And if I want to put a new formula over on this side of the graph, I can either click below to start a new line, or I can go up here to this plus symbol here where it's add item, and I can add an expression. Okay, so now it's ready for a few more formula for me. So the one that I need to enter is 2x minus y equals 2. Okay, so 2x minus y equals 2. And now we see that line popping up here as well. Another nice feature of this website is that you can see these kind of gray dots where it's highlighting points that are interesting. And if I move my cursor over that, it tells me, okay, so there's where the two lines are crossing, and it's at 3, 4. I can click that dot and keep it held there so that it stays displayed on my screen. As well, DESMOS points out, here's some other points that are interesting, where it crosses the x-axis and where it crosses the y-axis. If I click on my red line here, it'll tell me where that one crosses the y-axis, and over here where it crosses the x-axis. So it's a pretty useful tool, and I'll show you a couple more introductory videos as we get started here to show you how to use the website.